everybody, welcome back. Let's keep at this thing. We are getting there. So, as I'm looking at it here, just a few final details I kind of want to add. I say that, who knows how many there'll be. But what I want to do is just look for anything I can kind of improve on. Something I try to look for, I guess, is a way to make things three-dimensional. Okay, because we're obviously dealing with something that's two-dimensional, but how can I make this look more three-dimensional? One thing I can do is I can give things a little bit of an edge, or like a little bit of a lip here. So like this set of drawers here. Now it might mess me up because I already set them. With the I broke them into even segments, but I'd like to give it like just a little setback. So it doesn't like line up perfectly. So it's set back just a tad. And just that little difference, I think can just bump up the three-dimensional aspect that I'm trying to get across here. Okay, so I just want to set it back just a smidge, and that would mean giving this a little bit of a little minor edge there. And is it enough to break my even segments? I don't think so, especially if I move that over just a little bit there. Okay, just a little something there, right? Okay, so let's see. Anything else that doesn't look quite finished here? Let me look. These panels these light panels I didn't quite do anything with except break it into 4 segments. So let's see if I can do something with this here. I think I'm going to make them just kind of like little versions of those panels up there. So I'm going to give it a border. That is very uneven. But sometimes I can work with that and just make it like actually go, oh, okay, well, if it's uneven, I'm going to make it three-dimensional and add another line in there, which I did the same mistake. So let me push that back a little bit. Let's see what happened there. So there you are. Where's the corner here? Corner's right there. Just losing what I'm seeing here. Okay, that wasn't quite straight. That's where I got messed up. Still doesn't look straight. Let me flip this around and go at it from this side. Again, a lot of this is just me trying to not get right on top of my drawing. Hopefully you can get those lines a lot easier if you can get as close to your drawing as you want to. Because in theory, you're not recording yourself. Okay, I think I got them. Okay, here we go. This line here, let me make sure that's straight. And then come down from that. Okay, so I've got a border. Maybe that's all I need. A little border there. Now these aren't even. I can tell this is too fat compared to this one. So let's work with that here. Let's go like that. And then how am I looking here? You know what? What if I just do one big panel in the middle? Why not? Yeah, that'll work for me. Okay, then what surface? Maybe this is padded over here, because maybe it's you're sleeping against it. Plus, you're sticking things into it. So let's go ahead and make a line here, and a line here. No, actually, I'd probably line it up with this right here. Okay, maybe it's like round and a little bit soft. Okay, and this one I'd see a little bit of the top edge here. I think it's kind of like a round padded square. Get the line a little softer. Okay, there we go. I just want to define this edge. It's so thin. This top there. Underneath. Okay, that line doesn't really belong there. Wait, no, it does. Oh, that's the... My bad. That is the corner where the room changes shape. Okay, so I don't want to forget that. And let's see what else I can do to help remind myself of those things. I feel like I just need some details up here as well. Not much, maybe just, like a panel or something. Some kind of paneling that what if I can base it off squares? So let me make a segment here to work with. Actually, you know what? I'm going to base it off. Should I do that? No, I'll just do it on my own over here. So I don't know what's going on over there with that vent. I wanted to line it up with the vent, but I don't know if that's possible anymore. Maybe that's too big. But you know what? I can cut it in half. So let's do that. Okay, there's half. Now I got to make the other ones going even on this side. So I'm going to use my X rule here. Middles from this corner through that middle. Next panel would be there, all the way over there. Further than I thought. Okay, but that's perspective. Okay, that's fine. That's good. That's some kind of connection. Maybe there's some like rivets here. Okay, now I'm starting to get more industrial as opposed to the clean space station look. That's okay. I like it. Rivets. So I was thinking more. Maybe I need some softer shape there. Let me see. Yeah, with the rivets, I feel like I'm starting to get a little too industrial, but I kind of like it though. But I'm trying not to get overboard or go overboard with the details here. Okay, what if I round these panels? Is that going to work? No, that's not going to work. Just trying to think of something to do up here. I'm at a loss. All right. Maybe it's time to move forward and forget about it. Let's see. Does this one have a something in it? Something? Maybe it's got a something. Diagonally something. Guess I want to give them some volume, these panels. Maybe they're just slightly rounded on the edges here. to be sitting on something, but okay, we'll go with that. Okay, let's see how that translates across. So here's the trick now. So I'm going to line this up here with this top corner right there. That goes all the way across to right here. Okay, next one. Ooh, barely lined up with it here. Okay, right there. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do the bottom instead. And I don't want to get the longer. I really like the triangle. This is where I need to go bust out my larger triangle. Let's see, so that should be about there. Well, let's see. Just make it parallel. Let's see what happens. Don't think I quite hit it. Okay, so in order to get this, I'm going to have to do my X, I believe. Let's go ahead and make an X at the middle. And now let's go ahead and go. I have to go from this side. From the top. Oh, got to make this midline first. Of course, it's right in the middle of this vent. Of course. Okay, next one goes there. And the next one goes there. Look at how steep this angle is. This makes me think that door should be much thinner. Okay, so I'm gonna have to start using other lines here, or I need to start guesstimating. So that's gonna be the next one. So that one is gonna be this one, somewhere like there. Let's see. Line this up, line it up, line it up. And I can see this is not lined up. Of course, it would fan a little bit out. Yeah, and then I could see this door. Should be a lot thinner here. Should probably be like that shaped. And this line should be more, this would be a lot thinner. But do I want to bother changing it? I think I do want to change the door midline though. But we'll get there, we'll get there. All right, let's go ahead and round these out a little. These panels. Little rivets, because I'm getting too detailed. Okay. Okay, at least I can tell now that I have a change in direction. Okay, and I've got this like frame here. And I think there's gonna be another line here. So I can separate the frame for the space glass from the wall. No, I stopped. I didn't quite need to yet. Okay. And I'm just going to draw a little something in the wall here. And like it's sunken in. Actually, I want to make sure I kind of mirror that shape there. Kind of make it a little more narrow. And then some, like, maybe some tech-looking pieces coming out of there a little bit. I want that to look sunken in a little bit. Okay, how am I feeling about all this now? Soften that up. My tendency is just to want to make it messy and start like drawing stuff all over the floor. All right. Do not do it. Do not do it. Okay. I think besides moving this door line over, I think I'm feeling okay about this. So I kind of want to go like that and then up. Diagonal. Okay. There we go. Okay, one other thing I wanted to do was add a like line for like the glass right in here. So like it would be like thick and set in. Okay, I'm just going to cut all the way. I'm starting to feel that my details are able to be my final details. And that's telling me that it's about time to switch to my black pencil. That doesn't mean I can't stop adding or have to stop adding things. I can keep adding some details. But I'm feeling like I don't need to draw some of these lines twice. So I think it's about time to switch. Let me just look, one final look over here. Yeah, I think it's about that time. All right, let's switch over to our black pencil and start detailing up this thing. See what happens.